My dear students, in the early class in Social Science Economics Chapter 2 Rural Development, we discussed various aspects like meaning and importance of rural development, importance of rural development, what are the important aspects following in rural development, etc. In the second part, in economics, rural development, decentralization, futures of decentralization, Mahatma Gandhiji Gram Swarajya, and the role of and importance of Panchayat Raj institutions, women and rural development. These are the important aspects discussed in this class. Dear students, already we discussed various aspects in the last class. What were the conditions or what are the conditions in rural areas? What important essential measures to be taken improve rural progress, rural conditions, etc. Today class, decentralization. What is decentralization? What is necessity of decentralization? Grama Swarajya, futures of Panchayat Raj system, and also various measures to be improve conditions of rural areas and women development. What is decentralization? Decentralization refers to providing administrative power and responsibility of developing the village to people themselves is called decentralization. Means the powers between government and even various levels like panchayat levels, Jilla Panchayat and Gram Panchayat powers are shared or distributed. Mahatma Gandhiji is tested for this, even decentralization of powers. So this is called Grama Swarajya by Mahatma Gandhiji. Decentralization very useful. It is reduces various kinds of exploitation, upholds human independence and dignity, and nurtures humane values like compassion and cooperation. So Panchayat Raj system has been rejuvenated in India in order to promote decentralization. The government of India enacted the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993, which established a uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions entire in India. This act conferred constitutional status to the Panchayat institutions. As per this act, Panchayat Raj Act 1993, a three-tier system of panchayats has come into existence. Which are the three important three-tier system of Panchayat Raj? Jilla Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat, Grama Panchayat. The important decentralization, already I said, power, or what are the important aspects between panchayats, various Jilla Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Gram Panchayat powers shared. This process was called Gram Swarajya, already Mahatma Gandhiji I referred. Through this, avoid the so many mistakes, demerits. Panchayat Raj system. So this system rejuvenated or rebirth or revise in India in order to promote or encourage decentralization. According to 73rd Amendment 1993 Constitutional Amendment Act, many provisions are given panchayat systems. The main features of Panchayat Raj system in India, that is already said, a three-tier system of panchayat. See, my dear students, in this slide, see pyramid like the powers distributed among the village panchayat, gram panchayat, taluk panchayat, district panchayat. Direct and periodic elections are another important feature of Panchayat Raj system. And also even some seats are reserved for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, and especially women. Another important feature of Panchayat Raj system is financial and administrative responsibilities given to panchayats. It is very essential. And also, even panchayat's own budget means expenditure and also income sources and also audit requirements also very important. And also, it is very important executive, even sufficient staff for the panchayats, a strict procedure for dissolution, even suppression of panchayats mandatory or rules through the legislative. Elections are okay made every 6 months of dissolution. Role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural development. What is the role? What is the importance? Main, the responsibility for implementing different schemes related to poverty, complete removing, and also provide livelihood security. Besides providing public amenities means facilities. And also Panchayat Raj institutions provide rural community with the basic facilities like roads, drainage system, drinking water, street lights, and also required toilets, school facilities, hospital buildings, market, market yards, etc. Through the encouragement of primary and middle school education, even adult education means who are drop out to the schools, adult education encouraged, technical and vocational training also encouraged, and also even give good health facilities, hygiene facilities. Panchayats they are attempted to develop human values and etc. Grama Sabha is important body of the Grama Panchayat. So asking question, which is the important body of Gram Panchayat means Grama Sabha, because it is compulsory to conduct a Grama Sabha meeting every 6 months once. All the adults who are in the voters list of villages are members of the Gram Sabha. All developmental schemes are decided in the Gram Sabha itself. The Panchayat Raj institutions engage local planning and also provide other important functions also. Gram Panchayat prepares village development schemes during its open meetings, such as even school facilities, drinking water supply, primary education, and also even jobs for the jobless people. So these are the important aspects also. Rural development programs taken under Panchayat Raj institutions here to in order to overcome poverty and also generate employment opportunities in rural areas. Mahatma Gandhiji National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme means MGNREGS means Mahatma Gandhiji National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme has been enacted. So under this, even providing or making or create jobs and also complete eliminate poverty in rural areas is main target. In addition to that, even so many housing programs are housing schemes are taken in rural areas. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Housing Yojana program, Ashraya Yojana. So these are the important housing programs are implemented in rural areas to rural, especially poorer and also middle class people. Role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural development. What is role? Importance. Public distribution means pair price shops. So through the pair price shops, essential or very needed grains or food grains also provided to poor people and middle class people through BPL, APL, even Antyodaya, etc. Role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural development. This is identifying the old people. Who are the old people? Are disabled, widows, mentally retarded people. So identify them and also give pensions for them. So secure them. Social security very important for them. So government is doing this work. All the now once again come back to now. Uh, all the self-help groups of women can be brought together and also even encourage can be given to their productive activities. Women too can be made participate in the development of the nation because women participation in economic activity is very important. So without women participation, their economic interest very important along with the men. Social and cultural activities can be encouraged, even celebration of village fairs or festivals, jatra, etc. Village arts crafts also encouraged in the village areas or rural areas. More employment or jobs opportunities provided to people, even improve their life conditions, and encouraging agriculture, even encouraging cattle rearing, poultry, fishery, and also social forestry. Through this, even strength their economic or financial energy or strength of the rural people, we may avoid the poor and other inequality in economics. Role of Panchayat Raj institutions in rural development. So irrigation. So especially main occupation agriculture. It is very important irrigation facilities. It is especially wherever ponds and tanks are there. Time to time desilting means removal of soil in tanks and ponds is very necessary because the storage of water is also increases through the desilting. The rural cottage industries to encourage. It is very important cottage industries. So Java even provide you are the landless laborers and also poor farmers. So improve even cottage and small scale industries and women and rural development. So women role is very important. Even they participate equal with the men in economic activities. So today women occupy in variety of jobs and also she can manage all kinds of even very dangerous jobs also. She even work as act like a mother, sister, mother-in-law. Okay, so many hawks. Okay, like she worked in okay even as a worker, even field also, agriculture field also, even banking also, even court also, even defense forces, so police system, etc. Significant number of women are working in farming, even cattle rearing in village areas. They participate most of all agricultural activities engage today in rural areas. Women, even horticulture, silkworm rearing, floriculture, poultry, they play a very important role. Women, educated women are successfully handling a variety of jobs in various fields in the economy. That's why today governments are encouraging the role of women in all areas. Women are rendering exceptional service in government offices, even commercial establishments, education institutions, hospitals, even old age homes. Education women are playing very prominent role in control of population, etc. Women are so today occupy highest posts also. For example, now Indira Gandhi okay worked as a Prime Minister of India more than 15 years. Even first president woman in India, Pratibha Singh Patil, and also even Sucheta Krupalani, she first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Sarojini Naidu, first woman governor of Uttar Pradesh, and also even reservations for women in village areas, jobs, even most of Panchayat Raj institutions, especially Panchayat members, corporation members, or 50% reservation, especially reserved for the women. These have been playing a very significant role in organizing poor rural women and making them financially independent, and also even avoid dependent on their husbands, and also even avoid the even assaults from the even their husbands, and also even dependence on husbands, financial dependence also avoid through this. Members of these groups can also even easily even get loans, and also even through women women empowerment is very important. Through this women empowerment, avoid the even whatever the what are existed in rural areas problems like even sati, child marriages, even torture of women. These are all problems can avoid through this, even because given more power to women. So, women self-help groups have been successfully establishing in all cities and towns and also even rural areas. So, through this, today strengthen women. Through the self-help groups, highlight women are able to get rid of social evils like dowry, fight against dowry, even fight against caste system, exploitation of women, children, superstitions, child marriages, etc. Thank you, my dear students. We will discuss next class another aspect, another chapter. Thank you.